Your engine is effectively a massive air pump, and right now, it is likely struggling to breathe through restrictive plastic maze. Most factory airboxes are designed for silence and cost cutting rather than raw performance. When you swap that stock setup for a high performance cold air intake, you are essentially removing a gag from your car. This next generation system focuses heavily on internal efficiency. It uses mandrel bent aluminum tubing to ensure the air stays at a consistent velocity. In a standard pipe, a bend often creates a narrow point that kills airflow. Mandrel bending keeps the diameter uniform throughout every curve. This means the air reaching your engine is cooler, denser, and moving faster. Cooler air is the secret to better combustion. It contains more oxygen molecules per cubic inch. When that oxygen hits the fuel, you get a more energetic explosion. That translates to a crisper throttle response that you can feel the moment you pull out of your driveway. It is not just about the numbers on a spec sheet. It is about how the car reacts when you need to merge into fast-moving traffic. That annoying delay between pressing the pedal and feeling the acceleration starts to fade away. You get a much smoother power delivery across the entire rev range. Then there is the sound. The factory box is designed to muffle the engine. It makes the car sound like a generic appliance. This upgraded intake lets the engine sing. You get a deep, resonant induction roar every time you tip into the throttle. It makes the vehicle feel more mechanical and more intentional. The signature red filter is another huge selling point. It is constructed from high-flow media that catches dirt without blocking the breeze. The best part is that it is the last filter you will ever need to buy. Instead of tossing a dirty paper filter in the trash every 10,000 miles, you simply wash this one. You apply a fresh coat of oil and slide it back in. This saves a significant amount of money over the life of the car. Installation is remarkably simple for anyone with basic tools. You are mostly just loosening clamps and unbolting a few brackets. Most people finish the job in under 2 hours. It is a satisfying project because the results are immediate. You do not need a professional mechanic or a computer tune to see the benefits. While the horsepower gains are modest, the improvement in drivability is substantial. Your engine feels less strained and more athletic. It is the ideal first upgrade for a daily driver. It adds character without sacrificing reliability. You are giving your car the ability to perform at its natural best by simply letting it breathe. Every gear change and every highway on-ramp becomes an opportunity to hear that engine work. It is a small change that makes a massive difference in the overall driving experience. You will find yourself looking for excuses to take the long way home just to hear that intake growl one more time. It is about making the machine feel alive and responsive under your right foot. You are clearing the path for oxygen to reach the cylinders without the turbulence of a standard factory setup. This precision-engineered upgrade utilizes existing mounting points. You do not have to worry about drilling into your frame. It is a clean, professional look that fits perfectly under the hood. You get the benefits of a re-engineered intake path that pulls in air from outside the engine bay. This prevents the heat soak that often plagues stock systems during long summer drives. By keeping the intake temperatures down, you maintain consistent power even after the engine has been running for hours. This is why enthusiasts start here. It is a low-risk, high-reward modification that respects the engineering of your vehicle while enhancing its natural voice. It makes every trip more engaging,